In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract your raw data values in XYZ from Laker map, which has been processed or scanned by your microscope. So then we have to load our file. Load here. So now we export this file, the XLCF file, which contains our processed image or scanned image from the microscope. So we open it right here. So now we have it in here, and the next thing is we have to level the surface to make sure that the surface is on a correct reference plane, which is at 0. So we use the operator, we go to the level, and we make sure it's in the least square plane, and the subtraction is selected, and we are using the rectangle tool to make sure the reference plane is on the correct point. So now you crop the unprocessed part of your image which has not been touched. So this side of our image has not been touched and is the right surface of the image or of your sample. So now you go to extruder, then include, so that this surface which has been untouched is the correct reference plane, and making sure that it's leveled at the point 0. So make sure the z-axis origin as the mean is also selected. Then you go to OK. So now we have our leveled plane surface here. Then we get the 3D surface to see how it came out. So we can see that the surface is well leveled. It's very well leveled. We can see it clearly. And from there, we can also then extract our raw data values by extracting the layer to the topography layer. So we go to the operator, then extract layer, make sure the topography layer is selected, then OK. So now we have the topography image, and which has also been leveled. Then we go to Stadiable and make sure the topography layer is selected, then you save the surface. So make sure it's the type is the text file, which is .txt. So there are other options here, but make sure this is selected, otherwise you are not going to get your raw data values. So let's name this as raw data values, and we place it right here, then we save. So now there are certain options we have to select. So first, we are exporting our XYZ values. We select that, and also we make sure that we use a point for the values, and also we include the offset, and we make sure it's in our XYZ values are in millimeters always. Then OK. So wait for the software to extract the raw data values. So it's finished loading. Then let's go and see how it came out. So now, just as we save it in the raw data values, let's see how it came out. So we can see this is the X, Y, and Z. So we can see the raw data values. which we now have here. So we can see, so the 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 z values comes in positive and negative. So the one in negative is telling you that is the depth of your image, and the positive in the z zone is the height. So you can see it. That's raw data values. Okay.